Importing children's toys, safety and compliance guidelines. Welcome back to our customs brokerage video series. In today's episode, we will be discussing the requirements for importing goods subject to children's toys product regulations. If you are considering importing children's toys, it is crucial to understand and comply with the regulations to ensure the safety and well-being of the end users. First and foremost, one of the essential requirements is compliance with the Children's Product Safety Rule established by the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission, CPSC. This rule sets mandatory safety standards for toys designed or intended primarily for children aged 12 and under. These standards cover various aspects of toy safety, including mechanical, electrical, and chemical hazards. To ensure compliance, the importer is responsible for testing their toys for conformity with the applicable safety standards. Accredited third-party testing laboratories must perform these tests, and the results must be available to customs authorities upon request. It is crucial to maintain accurate records of these tests to provide evidence of compliance. Additionally, when importing toys subject to these regulations, you will need to obtain a customs bond. A customs bond is a financial guarantee required by U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, to ensure compliance with customs regulations, including the payment of duties and taxes. The bond acts as a form of insurance, safeguarding the government's interests and ensuring importers fulfill their obligations. There are two types of customs bonds commonly used for importing goods: a single entry bond and a continuous bond. The single entry bond covers a single shipment, while a continuous bond covers multiple shipments within a specified period. The choice between the two depends on the frequency and volume of your toy imports. In addition to the children's toy product regulations and customs bond requirements, it is important to address the filing of the Importer Security Filing, ISF. The ISF, also known as the 10+2 rule, requires importers to provide specific information about their shipments to CBP before the cargo is loaded onto the vessel at the foreign port of export. The ISF must be filed a minimum of 24 hours before the cargo is scheduled to be laden onto the vessel. This filing includes information such as the manufacturer or supplier details, the buyer or owner details, and the contents of the shipment. Importers must ensure accurate and timely filing of the ISF to avoid penalties or delays in the customs clearance process. To summarize, when importing children's toys, it is crucial to comply with the Children's Product Safety Rule, conduct safety testing, obtain a customs bond, and file the Importer Security Filing. Adhering to these requirements will not only ensure the safety of the children who will be using the toys but also help you avoid potential penalties and delays in the customs clearance process. Thank you for joining us today as we delved into the requirements for importing goods subject to children's toys product regulations. We hope you found this information valuable. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we explore more essential topics related to customs brokerage, customs bonds, and international trade. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Disclaimer note below. Until then, happy importing!